What's up guys, a Burn Car Guy 5 here, and today let's take a walk around look on this 2012 Honda CR-Z EX Sport Hybrid. And this is going to be a full and a tour of the hybrid. We start the engine, go to performances, scan the exhaust clip, it shows the inside, shows the outside. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start up, let it run. The black exterior with the black cloth interior. So amazing Power V startup. $95,933 miles. Perfect. And headlights, fog lights, hazards. Automatic driver's window. Now let's check the exterior, shall we? And navigator lights right there. Auto low shipment. Navigation system. Storage windows. Hood. Hybrid eco system, probably power 4-liter V8. Windows, storage, mirrors, everything. And also, we just look, the navigation as a backup camera. It's a rear backup camera with guides lines. See how this sounds. Pretty cool. Radio and CD player, and this looks like easy to look like guidelines with a CD player, and it's not working, so coded, but yep, just like your typical CD player. Cup holders.
audience, you may hear Aaron Jones's album described as his
Wow.
debut album because it's his major label full distribution debut album, though it's actually his
Look at the back seat.
album. This one beyond his
Seats just
reach to
fold.
Seattle. And songs like Take Me Away is what made the world go, oh, this Aaron Jones guy is pretty cool. Now, Loudwire Nights has got something pretty cool. It's called a smart speaker service. All you gotta do is say, hey, play Loudwire Nights. You don't need to say the hey part, you get what I mean. You tell Alexa, tell your smart speaker, tell Annie, whatever you use, and suddenly you'll hear Loudwire Nights.
Cup right there.
Through the Loudwire app at loudwire.com. You're listening to Loudwire Nights with Tony Gonzalez on 106.1 VLZ.
Wow. Speakers right here. The trunk.
Away from your body to help you sleep deeper all night and wake up more refreshed every morning. During the Tempur-Pedic Summer of Sleep, save $500
Power
on
outlet there.
Tempur-Breeze mattresses.
And
Experience
power.
your coolest sleep this summer with our best breeze saving sleep gear. Learn more at Tempur-Pedic.com. Star medicated ointment works fast to relieve the pain
And see right here.
It's amazing. It's like as soon as you put it on, you can feel it working. We've had blue stars for years.
Up the other side.
I love the cooling sensation on my
That right there.
Blue Star is great for scalp itch.
Wow.
With the Blue Star in the first 8 seconds. Feel Blue Star work fast or your money back. For the rock, nuts and sucker sideshow. It's Loudwire Nights on 106.1 VLZ. Got a request?
Wow.
A comment? Got something to say? Call toll free.
Wow.
44205 Loud. Loudwire Nights.
Nice.
Straight from
It's a
the
nice
All Good
car.
Things website bio. We didn't plan on being a band of any sort. That's according to Dan Murphy. Our music was just written for licensing in the hopes it would get some cool placements, games, whatever, film, TV. He says, I mean, it was probably a couple years
Yep.
for any of us even looked at.
It's right there. Sunroof.
Getting millions of plays on the songs. So guess what? Their fans made them become
Crash home link. Also then
Here's
color
For the
links.
Glory, the remade version by All Good Things.
Shut this off. Oh, oh. Well, everybody, let's take a walk around, walk around look on this 2012 Honda CRZ EX Sport Hybrid. And how the lawnmower came from. Take care. Beep, beep, beep.